fighting in front of the car?
I don't know who you think
You met up to violence?
I just picked you up. I know. Why are you fighting? Did you not? Because you're trying to fucking hit Carla. Sit your fucking ass down and stop.
Come on.
She's fighting it out.
Here.
You hit me first.
Carla, look at my face. You just hit me first.
You hit me the
Carla.
first. You hit me.
You just hit me first when I got in the car.
You've been crazy since
Carla,
you got out.
you just hit me
We're
first.
picking you up from the police station.
Please look at
You've
my-
been acting crazy.
What is wrong with
since
you?
we got you.
What is wrong with you?
I didn't touch her. She just
You have a fucking problem.
She just punched
You
me
have
when I
a
got
problem.
in the car.
If I deal with you one more time, I promise you,
That's what you did to
I'm
my
going to
head.
tear your life up.
That's what you did to
Shut
my
up!
head.
Shut up!
Shut your mouth.
Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Foos Nigga. We are back with another banger reaction video. Yeah, we back with another reaction video, man. Banger at that. How many people doing today? How many people doing today? I so speak like this. How many people doing today, man? You know, I act stupid, and I know it's Sunday. But it's Sunday, fun day, rest day, church day, football day. Whatever you want. I hope you're enjoying it. You know what I'm saying? I hope your meepers are on 10-ery. You know what I'm saying? Me, I'm on 10. We about to knock out some videos today. You know the grind don't stop. The grind really don't stop. My life is on go. I do pause to go to sleep, spend time with the family, all type of things that, you know, normal people do. Right now I'm on my Boathouse Farms no sugar added juicery. The watermelon dragon fruit, not a great flavor. Tastes like medicine, but I'm gonna drink it anyway because I don't like to waste the money. Okay, we're about to tap into a video. Girls' night out ends in chaos after jealous sister loses it. Jealous sister. Okay, bet. Before we get into this video, man, let's go ahead and check on our meepers. Get down in the comment section 1 through 10. Let us know where you are on this Sunday. Yeah, I'm putting the video out today. Let us know how you are on this Sunday. How you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Tap down the comment section, man. We on 10, all of us. I'm speaking for all of us. We're on 10. And if you're not on 10, we're going to get you to 10. With that being said, let's get the video to 1,000 likes, 36,000 views. That's the norm for us. Let's do what we do. Let's see who's jealous and what they jealous over.
On August 30th, officers in Little Falls approached a vehicle outside a banquet hall after noticing the passengers fighting inside the car. A violent argument had broken out between the suspect and her sister over an unwanted guest in her car. Police speak with the parties separately and quickly realize the suspect is extremely intoxicated and completely uncooperative.
My phone. Carla brought me out. Carla brought me out.
Do you have your location? Does she have your location or
No, she brought me out and then she just beat me up.
Get out.
Can you guys please
Get out of here now. Get out of this
See,
parking lot.
When it's a white
Get
girl.
out of this parking lot.
When it's a white girl.
Get out of this. I don't care who it is. Black, white, Chinese, or candy stripe. Get out of this parking lot.
Now you need
I like that. Black, white, Chinese,
Do
or
not
candy
stop
stripe.
until you get on Route 80. Get out of this parking lot.
The suspect complains to officers about her sister Carla.
I swear to God.
Oh, her sister. That who the officer? He must know her or something.
So bad.
Oh, they fighting in front of the car.
I don't know who you think
You met up to violence?
I just picked you up.
I know. Why are you fighting? Did you not?
Because you're trying to fucking hit Carla. Sit your fucking ass down and stop.
Come on.
She's fighting it out.
Here.
Hit me
You
first.
hit me first.
Carla, look at my face. You just hit me first.
You hit me the
Carla.
first. You hit me
You just hit me first when I got in the
You've
car.
been crazy since
Carla,
you got
you
out.
just hit me
We're
first.
picking you up from the police station.
Please look at
You've been
my-
acting crazy.
What is wrong with
since
you?
we got you.
What is wrong with you?
I didn't touch her. She just
You have a fucking problem.
She just punched
You
me
have
when I
a
got
problem.
in the car.
If I deal with you one more time, I promise you,
That's what you did to my
I'm going to
head.
tear your life up.
That's what you did to
Shut
my
up!
head.
Shut up!
Shut your mouth and just sit in the front seat, please.
If I deal with you one more time, I swear to God, your knife is going to be fucking ruined.
I just want to honestly be out of this car and find my phone because
I want you out of Little Falls.
she just punched me.
I want you
Yikes.
out of Little
Can
Falls.
you listen? She just punched me in my face twice and you guys didn't do
If
anything.
I deal with you one more time,
Look
I
at the
promise
camera.
you.
Look at
if
the
I deal with you
camera.
one more time, I promise you.
Okay, just do
I
it.
promise
I don't
you.
care, honestly.
I promise you. If I deal with you one more
Boy,
time,
I don't know what the runner is. He done ran into her a couple times because he talking to her like he know her. Like it's a sister or daughter. That's how he talking to her. Big stern type. You know what I'm saying? Like no nonsense. To the point where he don't even want her in a parking lot or in the town. That's how bad he's done with her. and I don't care. So nonchalant. Ooh. Now, somebody that can't control their emotions, that would piss them even more. That nonchalant, she said, I don't care. That would make it 10 times worse. Ooh, this situation, all girls in a truckery?
You're disgusting. You're fucking disgusting.
Ooh.
Sorry, man, for slamming your door.
Nah, you're good, man.
Get her out of here.
I didn't mean to punch you, but like when Carla punched me in my face first.
Listen, do me a favor. Do me a favor. If you guys can get her Uber or call her Uber, she's already listed.
I have no phone. She can't do that to me.
So
she
order
brought me
them
out.
an Uber
Carla
and get them out of here.
out.
We'll take
Carla,
her.
you brought me out.
Get her out of Little Falls.
Do you guys like personally know her?
I'm sorry.
Do you know her personally in the back?
In the back, no, not at all. We were gonna leave before, because even Carla, the sister, she was like, I don't feel comfortable. Wait, and then you walked out with her. She was like, honestly, she was like, I don't.
We're just wondering if she has like a diagnosed like something, because that's not alcohol.
Well, they don't know her. They don't know her that well. They don't know her that well.
But besides that, does she have any sort of
You gave her a big something.
Sit down in the car and shut up.
Shut the f up.
Sorry, I know you're heated right
Go
now,
ahead.
but I have my concealed, and there's a fire in the car right now. So I'd rather set her console.
Get it out the car with her in there.
You know what? I'm sorry about that.
You get in the car. You get in the car and just stay there.
Can I call myself the ride that I
Just
said?
you just be quiet.
She punched me.
You
in
just
my
be quiet. You just be
Why
quiet.
don't you go
He's so over her.
No, how about you just go do something with yourself?
Why don't I watch the cameras?
You're
or call
disgusting. You
somebody?
are disgusting.
Okay.
You are disgusting.
Okay, great.
You're a disgusting
I hope
person.
you feel so good about
No, I don't
yourself,
need to feel good.
officer.
Thank you. Thank you. I've worked very hard for it.
Officer.
You're disgusting.
Okay.
You're
Call
disgusting.
Mom now. I'm not joking you. She'll pick me up. Like, you're weird.
They're gonna be here in like
They won't
5 or
even
6
let me
minutes.
call my phone. The Uber.
Yeah, because I didn't think I was allowed to bring it inside. Okay. That's why.
She's going?
I didn't want it.
That was just from. What was that from?
The second we got on the car.
What just happened just now?
Was that with her fist or her?
With
Oh,
her
she about to go
foot.
to jail or something.
Her
Hit
heel?
her in the foot with her heels.
Alright, well, she's
I
coming
mean,
right
in the
away.
head.
Do you need an ambulance?
What the hell?
No, I think I'm fine. Like medical.
You want an ambulance?
No, I'm fine.
We're gonna
You guys have like a wipe or like a towel or something? Like she can.
That's what the ambulance could do. They could.
Oh.
I don't need
I mean, obviously, that's going to go through insurance and stuff, but, we can get you a napkin.
Yeah, like a napkin, just like a napkin, so she can like wipe it, and it's not like
So she's
running
gonna
down
be a
her face or anything.
victim. She's gonna need to do divine and divert.
Assault,
Yep.
I'm sorry, Maria.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
I just need
terrible.
you just gotta stay here for a few more
Yeah,
minutes,
just
okay?
stay out of the car. Just stand here.
Get out the truck.
What did I do now?
Get out.
I'm so confused.
Get
Why
out.
do you keep?
Get out.
Put your hands on it.
She punched me in my face first, and you guys won't even watch the camera. No, I'm not moving.
Let's not do this again.
Seriously?
What?
Hold on. He's got a double lock him.
You literally want to hurt me so bad. I'm not.
This is embarrassing for you. This is
Bro,
embarrassing.
this hurts.
This is embarrassing.
All right, then let me walk. Just unloosen them a little bit. He put them so tight. I
They're not
can't.
tight.
No, I can't. You guys put. All right, let me walk them. All right. Come on, I want to call somebody else. I asked you guys that 8 times.
You're
Why
under arrest right now.
Why?
Domestic violence, simple assault.
She punched me in my face first. You guys will watch the video when we walked out here. Can you guys watch it, please? Guys, I need to call somebody else. I don't know where my phone is. Come on.
We're gonna fill out some paperwork if you guys don't mind for maybe a couple more minutes.
You guys can go home.
No,
actually, you have
No,
work
we'll take it.
You know what? Yeah, no, I don't
Yeah,
care.
it's not gonna be long. It's just it's a Vine form.
She brought me out here. Why are you guys doing this to me? Why are you guys doing this to me?
You're gonna also be afforded opportunity to do a restraining order against her, which you can deny. You just have to sign off if you want to go that route. And then there's gonna be a divert form. It's a domestic violence team that you'll be able to speak to.
Why are you guys? No, I'm not going in anywhere. Carry me. You guys can carry me.
Grab under her knee.
Embarrassing. Embarrassing. I don't know who. I'm still confused on what's going on. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. So I'm watching this for the first time. So hopefully you guys are able to run it back. Get in the comment section. Let me know who is who. What's going on? Because I'm lost. All I know is I know who the tomfoolery is, and it's her. They let her walk. She falls to the ground like she doing the splits with the handcufferies on. And they go try to grab her. Let me just walk. Let her just walk. Not even 2 seconds later, she does the same split. And you just carry me. What?
Ow! please. Because they're fucking doing this. My titties are out. Can you please help me? Can you please? Please. No, my boobs are out. My boobs are out. My boobs are out. My boobs are out.
You just sign those forms, and then you'll be able to
about that when you was fighting, dummy.
It's gonna be. We can sit right in the lobby. They can stay right next to us if you're comfortable. Okay. I'm gonna get those forms going and go from there. You guys, will this buzz on that bell again?
Yeah, we got it.
And I'll stay with you guys in the lobby.
Sounds good. Thank you.
My boobs are out. Yes, they are. Oh my God, my boobs are out.
We got one back in here.
Please, why are you doing this to me? Oh! What is it? Can I please make a phone call to someone? I didn't do anything! She punched me in my face first! Can you not see my face? Can you not see my face is red? Can you guys please watch the camera? She punched me in my face.
Did you see her face? Did you see her face?
Yeah, because
Did you see her face? You kicked her with your heel.
I kicked her with my heel because she punched me in my face first.
I highly doubt that.
Okay. Watch it outside then. You'll see that she tries to hit me first. But you guys won't believe that. Can I please have a phone call? Please! I can't! I want to go!
See, now I don't know how this works with getting her out. Like, she signed out, but
She can call somebody else.
but now once she gets out of a summons, she's still got to get picked up.
Yeah. Have her call
She has-
somebody else.
she
She
has-
said she has multiple people she can call. So let her call somebody else.
Her boobers are definitely out. Definitely out for
Do
sure.
you have the phone? I don't even know where anything is.
You gotta do Vine and divert for her.
Yeah.
Why they having some random person pick me up? I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is at all. Why are you guys doing this to me? I want to call someone.
Now you just got hit with a domestic violence charge.
Girl,
Yo, what are you doing?
you just kill me at this point. Stop.
There's no need.
No, I'm not doing this. You guys are charging
At what point do we just gotta send her?
I didn't do anything. You guys will watch the video back that she punched me in my face first outside.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm doing too much of it.
But she's
You guys let
gonna
me
be in hospital
know.
watch.
I mean,
Guys, I gotta get back to my kids. You won't let me call my own
Take this
ride. You won't let me call my own ride. I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is. Please. I want to go home. Please. Please, can I call my mom? Please. Why are you being like this to me? Can you watch the video back that she punched me in my face first until I got in the car? She was trying to punch me
your
again.
damn
So I
leg,
pushed her
girl.
back. I swear to God. Just forget about that shit. I don't care. I just want to call someone that I know. I don't know who those people are. What does nobody understand about that? I don't know who that is. And she started... Please just watch the video and outside. Please.
Hey, I'm telling you right there. Man, if y'all never saw a fake cry in your life of somebody that's just trying to get out of the situation, this is it right here. She just looking at me. Please. She just hoping, wish on a star. Any and everything, she's throwing a Hail Mary, okay? It's not going to work. She's big. I know she's drunk. She might have some other issues going on. And I feel sorry for the parent or the mom she's trying to call dealing with her daughter that goes out. And this is how she goes out in the world. Her mom's going to be dealing with this for a while. If she hasn't already, unless she got to get her some therapy, some help, baby, because something is going on here. We don't know what it is. There's no way she has a boyfriend. She barely don't got no friends because she don't know how to be around people and act around them. Life lessons, baby. This is educational purposes only. How not to act and how your actions and your emotions will get you in trouble every single time. Emotions plus actions behind them, trouble. 1,000% of the time, every single time, without a shadow of a doubt. I'm telling you guys that. She needs to be sitting in a jail cell for a minute. She needs to know this is real. People like this need to know it's real. Mom coming to pick you up, just enabling to me. I promise you, I'm leaving mine in there. I'm not even gonna let mine get to this point. You know what I'm saying? Like, unless there's something else going on that I can't help. You know what I mean? But for the most part, I'm leaving mine in there. You got to learn. And me coming to save you every time is not a good situation at all. So, Mom, don't do it.
Can I please call someone?
No.
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know. Figure it out.
What do you mean I have no ride or nothing?
Figure it out. Figure it out. At this point, I care less about your concerns.
Please. I can
care less about you or your concerns. Figure it out.
Are you the boss? I want to speak to your manager now. I'm telling you now. I want to speak to your manager.
Say Taco Bell, baby.
That's not the manager because
He's a sergeant.
I can tell he's new. Definitely not.
Oh, okay.
Definitely not, because he's making fun of me. That's not what sergeants are supposed to do. Saying I act around my kids. No, I act around around my sister when my sister acts like this, and then she tries to switch the whole thing on me, and then she punches me in my face, so I push her back when we get in the car, and then she says this. Can I please call someone, actually? Please, like, literally, I need someone to watch my kids. Like, I have work soon.
This lady has kids.
No,
I'm amazed.
I'm not. No, we don't live together. Like, I don't know what you think this is. She's not. She called some random coworker to pick her up. Okay. What are you talking about? My mom has no idea. I need to call my mom.
Mom knows that you're here.
No, she doesn't. Okay.
Your sister called.
Think your sister didn't call and tell her, you dummy?
But you guys won't let me call anybody to pick me up or do something.
You're in a whole other section here.
Now you guys.
Now you have criminal charges.
Okay. You guys say that I didn't do anything to her. You guys say that.
I was stabbed, like multiple.
No.
Yeah, ×2 everything.
Woo! Multiple charges. Stack them up. She in there going demonic. That lady's a demon. With kids. She spawned
The suspect was charged with domestic assault, disorderly conduct, assault on an officer, resisting arrest, DUI, reckless driving, careless driving, and driving with open liquor in the vehicle. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and be—
Ooh, they stacked them charges. Not enough of them, but they stacked them. I seen a video where the lady wasn't even as bad as her, and they threw charges at her I've never heard in my life. Vehicle defective. Tires defective. Never heard those charges. She needs those also. Tap down in the comments. I can't believe this lady has kids. We always say there's people in this world that don't deserve to have the kids they have because they deserve better than what they probably situation they're in. Because now their mom is not home, and other family members got to go take her, and they wondering, where's mom? Where's mommy? No kid should ever have to do that, especially off the drunkery or just act insane out in public type. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's dumb as hell. It don't have to happen. It could all be avoided. Go take care of your situation. Heal yourself from whatever traumas you got going on, baby. And be better for your kids. Because at this point, once you have kids, they come first. You're acting like the child. I'm pretty sure your children probably act more growner than you. That's a factual, okay? Tap down in the comment section. Let's talk about it. We all know somebody out there that does... don't need the kids, don't deserve the kids. Act like a kid. Might be a family member, might be a friend, might be a coworker. You know them. Let's talk about it. This type of stuff is irritating to my soul. It's just irritating to my soul, man. We're gonna tap in. We gotta get some more Meepery videos up because this just brought my Meepery down one notchery. Now we gotta go find another video, get it uppery type, man. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. We out this motherfucker. Gone.